Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. The market is giving us good, profitable opportunities by being able to analyze which direction the market is going. Obviously, we're in an uptrend as long as we're above the T line. We're starting to see a little bit of an alert up here where they've gapped up doing dojis in the overbought area. Doesn't necessarily mean there's a reversal yet, but it puts us on alert. We're in the overbought area. We're starting to see indecision up here. Same scenario over here on the NASDAQ. The T line has acted as a good, strong uptrend support. Now we're starting to see a little bit of indecision up here, a little bit away from the T line. This would tell us that we want to have or get ready for taking profits in good, strong charts that are starting to show a little bit of weakness, or adding some short positions to the portfolio. So being able to pinpoint which sectors are acting the strongest. We can see how Lucid broke out the other day on a fry pan bottom breakout, producing very good profits. But it also illustrated that there was a lot of bullish sentiment coming back into that sector. If we can identify when to be buying on a pattern breakout, we can also identify the next patterns that are going to create profitability. You can see how the profits were taken, the J-hook pattern, and today they took it back up again, producing more good profitability. Same thing over in QuantumScape. You can see how QuantumScape was building up this big fry pan bottom with a likely target up here. Once it hit that target, we can use what we call convergence analysis. This is a huge advantage for candlestick investors because we can identify numerous things that would give us the probabilities we're in the right direction. Fry pan bottom. Notice how they kept everything up above the T line. And then we had what we call a double doji, which told us very simply that in this consolidation, if they open positive the next day, you can be buying immediately because at least your magnitude is going to be like this, which told us we're probably going through the 200-day moving average. As you can see, good profitability. And this was all just a buildup of coming out of a fry pan bottom with candlestick signals at breakout levels. Same scenario. This is why we're going to be doing a 2-day training next weekend. Because if we can see a pattern and we can see exactly what investor sentiment is doing at a natural support and resistance level like the T line, that allows us to take profits and then get back into a trade when it's time to get back in. So we've got support on the T line. We've got a fry pan bottom breakout. The probabilities are we're still in an uptrend. So this information, using the T line in conjunction with the patterns, allows us to make big profits by holding on to positions that do not close below the T line. This allows us to be in situations where the patterns can be much more better confirmed, breakouts. So, and add 2 plus 2 together, if all the other electric vehicles stocks are getting great reception from the bulls because of the infrastructure bill passing, that means when you see something like this confirming a pattern, you can get in immediately without figuring that you're chasing something. So the candlestick signals in conjunction with the T line work effectively whether you're going long or short. We recommended going short on GH because you can see what it did on Friday. They took it up and then brought it right back down below the T line, producing a bearish doji sandwich with a booster. And that little nuance right there told us they're still in a strong selling mode. We can still be shorting this with the expectation we're heading to this level or even lower. The information that we can get by the graphics of candlestick signals, it allows us to see what's actually happening in investor sentiment, not trying to project what's going to go on in the future. So there's a ton of information when you combine the candlestick signals and patterns with the T line That's what we're going to be doing on a full day training this coming weekend. So come join us. It's 2 full days. We usually say it goes from 10 to 2:30. Figure on 10 to 4 or 5. You're going to get a lot more information than you anticipate. So right now, with the markets getting a little bit toppy, start watching to take profits or start adding shorts to your positions or portfolio. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.